Aloha, everyone. I hope you are choosing to make the most of the opportunities available to you today. Welcome to Dr. P's Facets of Life series. This is pod number 30. Today's topic, Money Matters for Many. This is intended for those who may have money problems and for those who don't as well. Those who don't might want to use this material to help someone who does need guidance. First of all, let me state emphatically that you don't solve money problems with more money, at least not in most cases. Most, but not all, money problems are caused by personal financial behaviors. We would be wise to understand those behaviors that contribute to our financial problems. More on that point later. Right now, I'd like to talk about balance in life. The dictionary defines balance as a state of equilibrium and also as mental and emotional stability. In order to get the most out of life, it is critically important to have a balance. We can achieve this more often if we keep most aspects of our lives in some state of harmony. Without balance or equilibrium, we are constantly struggling to move in too many directions at once. In the process, we waste too much time, energy, and resources, and we wonder why we are not getting anywhere. An unbalanced life is an unhappy life. Now, in order to stay mentally healthy, we must maintain a balance between conflicting needs, wants, and other responsibilities. If we're to strive for and accomplish a balance in our lives, we absolutely must learn discipline. Discipline is a form of self-control that we use as a tool for successful living. Let's face it, life is a series of problems that require solutions, and we're constantly making adjustments in order to cope. Discipline is what empowers us to say yes or no at the appropriate times in order to solve problems, minimize pain, and strike a balance between pleasure and pain. Pleasure is usually easy to deal with, but too much pleasure can put us at risk to experience more pain. Very few things in life can cause us as much pain as money problems, especially the problems which are within our control. Balance is at best a successful juggling act between wants and needs. This leads me into my next point, which is budgeting. What, you might ask, does balancing wants and needs have to do with budgeting? Well, the answer is everything. Budgeting is all about having a plan and implementing that plan. The reason we create a plan is so that we can achieve a goal or goals. Budgeting is a tool we use to achieve goals using our plan. The hardest part about budgeting, other than sticking to it, is to what? Determine what things we need and what things we want. Some folks can't afford the things they need, so they struggle constantly and seldom get what they want. Some folks cannot afford what they need or want but try to get what they want anyway. Those folks are doomed to fail in most areas of their lives, not just financially. Most people can probably afford what they need, but few are satisfied with just fulfilling basic needs. So they create a reality that allows them to consider their wants as real needs. They are playing a form of Russian roulette with their financial futures in doing so. Some people can afford all of their needs and most of their wants. Good for them. Maybe. I say maybe because if those people in that category don't incorporate a savings plan for emergencies in the future, they may be in trouble at some time in the future. The future can mean things like a financial catastrophe, loss of employment, illness, or retirement. My philosophy is that money should not be about the moment as much as it should be about the tomorrow. If we work on being real honest about what we need, we will be more likely to fulfill, in time, some of our wants. I cannot overstress the importance of self-protection regarding unforeseen future problems. Remember that we all behave our way through life, all of the successes and all of the failures. How we deal with money is a financial behavior. That's it for today, folks. Remember to deep breathe and be grateful. This is Dr. P saying aloha.